We are beaching today. Mom, look at the blanket.
Oh, I thought you meant this tree right here.
No, I meant this tree. So pretty.
Kick. Kick.
As there's an airplane going by. Hi, I'm an airplane too.
You ready?
One.
Don't go. You're great.
Yeah!
that was fun.
That was fun.
Let's do it again. One more time. Oh. No, hold my hands this way.
1, 2, 3. I've never done airplane on any. What if she's watching us?
I can't get up if you're on me.
It's okay. It's okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I was
Stop. But no, that was cool. Wait, let's do that again.
Wait, which one?
This time let me drop though. Like this.
Oh. I can't get up if you're on me.
I can't get up if you're on me. Okay, stop dancing.
What were we doing dancing?
Okay, ready?
1,
5, 4, 3, 2.
Help me up. Whee! God.
Quick, dog knife.
It's a snake.
I love snakes. Mom, I think it's cool.
Look at this. Just put your leg down. I'm not going to touch it. Put the legs the way you had it. I want to show you something in the sun. Look at that hair.
Stop shaming body hair on women.
I'm not shaming you.
Yes, you are.
I'm just saying. You got
Okay,
some.
ready? Lay down. Back.
If I lay back down again, go get it.
Oh my gosh!
And this one's
Guys, you want to see my axolotl? So it's basically a squishy ball. Oh, something on it. And then it's an axolotl, and I love axolotls so much. It's an axolotl. Okay, go ahead, Mom. I wish to be an actor. So guys, we were sitting like right here at this tree, you know, having a wonderful handy dandy time, and we saw people golfing over here, but we didn't like know why, that they were just golfing. So like, that's our spot. And then you keep walking. It's a safe golf course. We did, oh, there's an ant on it. Hi, bestie. But we didn't know it was a golf course, so leaving. Okay guys, it's like 15 minutes later and we're back at the house, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye y'all.